somehow to get another base. Like that. Let's go through it. It's an only base for the superhero. Venom! What? Let's get the other Spidey. Spiders! We have the Nuke now. And the Avengers are gone. We have their boats. Now this is the nice base. Yeah, Hulk. Yeah, Hulk. Hulk smash. Cap, are you there? Yeah. Why? Cap is Spidey. Maybe there or maybe superhero catch. You'll be fine. Venom, you go to Captain America. Peter, Toby, Maguire, go to Captain Marvel and Miles, you go after Thor. Is that understood? Yes, boss. Venom, you got the target? Yes. And guys, Venom has the target. We need Captain America. For what? For Spidey, I'm not gonna go. Yes. He got the target. Now I'm going back to base. I got the target. Yes, don't lock him up. No. You'll be trapped there. Now Toby, go. Okay, boss. Such a lovely day of doing this. Hiya! Get to the sky, alright, and you're gone. You're not gone. Finally, I got the target. Knock him down up. Okay. You'll be trapped there. Who's next? Now Miles, go. Yes. Thor, investigate. They gone in a while now. Okay, Iron Man. I got the target. Got it. Now go in prison too. Now we knock the Avengers. Yeah. Coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.